Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include premium sound system, satellite radio, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.